This is fantastic to celebrate our wonderful kaiako, our teachers in community education here in Ōtautahi. These wonderful educators share their amazing skills with their students wherever they might be. They are constantly giving to their learners.
Tēnā koutou katoa, ko Damien Gilchrist tōku ingoa, he kaiako ahau mo te kaipākihi ko Raising Home.
My name's Wendy and I work for English Language Partners. I work with low-level English learners.
My name's Anne-Marie Rose and I tutor special needs adults.
Kia ora, my name's Simone. I am a textile artist and I work for an organisation called Rekindle.
My name's Mark. I teach adults how to cook at Whakanuia High School in Christchurch.
Hi, I'm Alison Cousins. I teach yoga here in Christchurch.
My name is Maxine Kissling and I work at the City Mission.
I'm Chris and I work here at Skillwise and I support adults with intellectual disabilities.
I'm Elaine, I'm an education tutor and I work in Christchurch Men's Prison.
My name is Dean, I work for WEA, I teach music.
It's really key to treasure and value these important educators because they're often invisible, they're overlooked and forgotten about, and I really think it's important to emphasise how skilled they are to our society from the point of view of lifelong learning.
I got into teaching by mistake.
Came about as a bit of an accident.
When I was 17 I applied for Teachers College and they turned me down.
One of the lectures in the first week was about transformational education and I just thought that's what I want to be doing.
Got the buzz for it, I guess. I enjoyed seeing people fall in love with something that I fall in love with a lot, which is music.
Yeah, I just fell into it and I've never left. When you're working with the adult learners, if they're choosing to come back to education.
We become very close-knit, so it's just one big family really.
I love helping people get back on their feet, or some of them have never been on their feet.
We have lots of fun. They really enjoy their learning, they're highly motivated. You know, some make good progress, some are slow, you need lots of patience.
I mean, we're always learning as teachers. There's always more to learn and we learn from our students.
The part that excites me most is bringing out the potential in people that they didn't even know they had.
Help them realise that they can do it.
We carry them through the journey and they get to learn things, experience new adventures, and that's why we do what we do.
I think I have the best job because life is just awesome watching the progress of the students.
Also very humbling and good to know that the work everybody's doing is being appreciated and represented.
I think recognising teachers is just vital because, you know, we do provide a huge service to the community.
One of the wins that I have is spending so much time with the great people in my class.
Woo! I would pay special tribute to our fabulous educators here in Ōtautahi who provide the opportunities for learners in their lifelong journey.
Just remember, your job could be a lot worse, I guess. I mean...
Whakanuia te Kaiako.
Treasure our teachers.